1 minute wonder series of videos regarding children. Now, there is one important issue for every child. It's about taking notes in the class. The children normally do not really know how to take notes. They get distracted. And I just told in one of my previous videos that you note down the salient points from every lecture. But on the other hand, what happens is that the children get distracted, bored in the class. And it's not really possible for them, for many children, to keep their focus on what the teacher is saying. There's something difficult that he's saying, or boring, or something which he doesn't understand but is afraid to ask any questions from the teacher. So, how to keep your focus in the class? So, I suggest that you take notes in the way that you, let's say, divide a page like this, draw a line in the center of the page and one line on the right side, and whatever the teacher is saying, you're making notes, salient points, writing down here and there, but at some time you get distracted. So make a bullet point and say distracted. And after some time, you feel that the teacher is boring and you can't understand what he or she is saying. So you make another bullet point and say boring. And sometimes you feel, oh, I'm feeling tired. So write down tired. And really, I am waiting when the class will finish. So whatever are your emotions, your feelings, just put them in a word or two on the paper. It will get you back into focus in the class. Whenever you write, you will become aware of yourself and focus will be back in the class. Or tap boring. I can't focus in my class. It's so difficult. What is this teacher? I can't understand what he or she is saying. Even though it is so, I love myself and accept myself. Somewhat boring. Somewhat I can't understand. Somewhat really I don't know what to do. I get distracted so often. Oh, what to do? I don't know really. Take a deep breath. I love myself and accept myself. I know what I'm doing. I become aware. When I make notes in this way, I really become aware. And I am back in the class with all my concentration. And I remember and recall perfectly well when I go back home and I practice revision policy. Thank you.